power. I got the power. I got unlimited power.
Hey friends, welcome back to the Town Cards. At this moment, we are going to be opening the Chronicles Football Series Pack 2020 NFL Trading Cards. We're looking for 12 different brands, including Megabox exclusive Donruss Elite Update Rookies. There's 5 cards per pack, 10 packs per box. It's mega. In this box, we hope to find or are looking for, to a T, Joe Burrow and Justin Herbert.
Very good. And also, in these things, if you guys don't know, you can get the Panini Prisms, you can get just a regular Chronicles. This is literally one of the boxes you get where you have the opportunity to get every single thing that Panini does into one box. Here's the odds for what you can see and what we could get. All right, so we're going to open this up.
Am I stressing everybody out?
So here's how we're going to open it up.
Oh, really?
So we're just going to open that guy up.
This is my first time, everybody. Okay, got it. Oh, all right. Let's crackle that. Open it up. Okay. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Perfect. And I'm going to open the first pack so you can see how we want to open up the packs. Because it's not how you would normally open a pack.
Okay.
So you grab it, and then you rip it front ways so that you don't open up from the back.
And why do you do it that way?
Because if you open it from the back, you see what the card is at the back.
Oh.
So this is kind of the...
Is that how it's set up in the boxes? Like it's set up so like maybe the best is for last?
Some are, but
okay.
This is just kind of, it's easier so that you're not just like, you open up the back and you're like, oh, you already see the person's name.
Got it. All right.
So this one's Tyreek Hill. Next one. Oh, look. Justin Herbert rookie card.
It's on the front of the box.
CeeDee Lamb. A Jordan Love Panini Prism Black. And then Cooper Kupp, the green. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's a green parallel. This is green.
Yeah. There you go.
Okay.
Nice.
So now Jessica's going to open up a pack.
All right. I learned from the master. Here we go. You open it up from the back. And then you flip it. Oh, so we have Julio Jones, Joe Burrow,
Who was on the front?
who's on the front of the box, Clyde Edwards-Helaire. Oh, that's fancy. Chase Young. Chase Young again.
And that's also a green parallel because it has a green shiny stuff. Very good. We're going to zoom in so we all see better.
Gronk.
So, Gronkowski. James Robinson. Come on. James Morgan. J.K. Dobbins Prism Silver. You can tell it's silver because it has prism on the back. And then Jerry Jeudy, also the green parallel.
It's me again. Ooh.
Nerve-wracking.
Sticky.
Everyone's
gosh,
expecting.
Sorry, everybody. There we go. Ha. All right. We got Brett Favre. How do you say his
Brett
name?
Favre.
Favre. Mm-hmm. Legarius Sneed. That's textured, that one. Darnell Mooney. We have a clear one. Gabriel Davis.
Clear vision.
Ooh. And DeAndre Swift. Excuse me. Yeah.
That's also parallel.
Parallel.
All right. Chase Claypool. DeAndre Swift. Malik Harrison. Jordan Love score. And then Tiki Barber. Just gonna organize.
What's the biggest box that you've ever opened?
Personally?
Yeah.
I don't know. I think the most I ever spent on a box is probably like $300 or $400.
And how many cards were in that?
Probably like 5.
Oh, yeah. So we have a DeAndre Swift, Michael Pittman Jr. I like the textured ones. Those are really cool. Patrick Queen. T. Higgins. Nice. And T. Higgins again.
You like those ones?
I do. I like paintings, like portrait, like Monets and Picassos. They're beautiful.
Joe Namath. James Robinson. Come on. Is that it? It's a thick note. One behind it. Justin Jefferson. Clyde Edwards-Helaire. Brandon Ayuk.
Ooh, Dick Butkus. Gabriel Davis. Jalen Rigor. Keyshawn Vaughn. And Henry Ruggs III.
Of the Raiders.
Raiders.
All right. Second to last pack. Adam Thielen. Jordan Love. CeeDee Lamb. This is a nice shiny one. Clyde Edwards-Helaire. This is numbered to $9.99. And then Robbie Anderson. Last pack left.
Last pack. Winner, chicken dinner. All right. We got Baker Mayfield. Justin Jefferson. James Robinson. Jerry Jeudy. And CeeDee Lamb.
CeeDee Lamb. Cool. So, as you guys can see, we got a bunch of cards. So there's 50 total cards. Again, it's super rookie heavy. So it's a pretty good product if you're looking to kind of get those guys and hold them and hope they do well. The main ones that we got that were really good was this Joe Burrow rookie card silver of Luminance, the Clyde Edwards-Helaire to $9.99, the Jordan Love Panini Prism Black, the J.K. Dobbins Panini Prism Black Silver, and then the Justin Herbert. I believe this is Donruss Kings. I think so. Gridiron Kings. All right, guys. Thanks for tuning in,
Thank you.
and we will see you guys later. Bye.
Yeah, I got the power. I got the power. I got unlimited power.